Hey guys, so I've been testing Pinterest marketing for the past couple of months and I'm seeing decent results. Decent enough for me to start using Pinterest for all my newly published books. So in this video, I'll go over how you can go about marketing your books on Pinterest. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go to pinterest.com and sign up for an account. Now, the sign up process is very simple. You just click on sign up. You want to make sure that you're creating a business account. So click on this. Just enter your email, password, your age, and just click on create account. Fill everything up with the appropriate details. What's the focus of your brand? Just select whatever niche you're in. If you can't find it, just click on others. Would you ever be interested in running ads on Pinterest? Sure. So this is your Pinterest dashboard. We want to go to the website. So what exactly is Pinterest? It's like a virtual bulletin board where people upload images, videos to communicate ideas and information. And they do this by creating boards and pins. All of these are basically pins. A board is basically a collection of pins. Pinterest is actually a very good platform for businesses to promote their products to potential customers, and it's been growing steadily. So let's just search for something. So I just wrote a keyword and we have some suggested keywords over here. So there are a lot of ways you can be creative on this platform. As you can see here, you can, show your book's interior. You can create boards. So let's have a look at this. So this is basically a pin and people can save it. They can share it on various platforms. This is your pin's title, description. They can follow you to keep up with your future pins. They can leave a comment. So there's a link in this pin, and if you click on this, it'll direct you to that link. So this is the platform in a nutshell. You wanna explore it a bit, as there are so many ways you can go about promoting your books. So let's create a basic pin. So for that, I'll click on my profile picture in the upper right corner. I'll click on this plus sign and I can just create a pin or a board. Let's create a pin. Now, there are two major ways you can go about creating a pin for your book. The easiest way is to just go to your product page on Amazon. Just go to your product page on Amazon and you can see there's a Pinterest icon over here. If you click on it, you can easily create a pin for your book. The problem with this is the image it uses is this exact one and it doesn't look like it's actually a book. So I don't usually go with this method. What I usually do is I create custom mockups for my book and I just upload them. So let me just show it to you really quick. There are three major ways you can create mockups for your books. You can search for PSD mockups for books. And there are tons of websites. You can explore them. Make sure that there's a commercial license for that mockup. You can use this website called Placeit. It has some amazing mockups for books. You should have books right over here. So they have some amazing mockups. So if you can afford to pay for the subscription, I think it's $15 a month. It's pretty worth it. So if you plan on creating a lot of pins, it's worth getting the subscription. There are some free mockups on Canva as well, so be sure to check that out as well. I have a mockup downloaded here, so I'll just open it in Photoshop. Let me quickly add my cover to this. I'll just drag and drop the cover. Command S. There we go. I'll save this. Once I'm done with the mockup, the next thing I do is I go to File, New. I create a new template so that I can crop the mockup in order to optimize it for Pinterest. I'll go for 1000 cross 1500 pixels. I'll drag and drop my mockup and adjust it. Now you have the option to add more information in this white space you have available. So you can add more stuff there if you want to. I'll just save this real quick. Now we'll go to Pinterest. I'll click on my profile picture. If you click on this plus sign, you'll have the option to create either a pin or a board. Since we are creating a pin, let's click on that. Drag and drop the image. There we go. add whatever title you want, add whatever description you want. Over here, add the link to your Amazon product page. We'll create a board for each niche. That doesn't sound right. We'll create a board for each niche. So name it whatever niche is. And just click on save. There we go. It's super simple. Now let's have a look at this. So this is our pin. Now you have two options here. You can either set it and forget it, or you can run ads to your pins. From my experience, Pinterest ads work really well for some niches, but for some they don't. So the best thing to do is test ads with a very low budget. But if you don't have the money to invest, that's fine. You can just set it and forget it. If you do want to run ads, just go to your profile, go to your pin, just hover over it and you'll have an option to promote. Alternatively, you can go to ads, create ad. So once you click on this, you have the option to set the daily budget. I recommend $5 if you're low on budget. You can do $1 or $2. You can set the duration. How many days do you want the ad to run? I recommend at least 2 days because it takes like half a day for the ads to just get approved. And so if you set it for 1 day, it only really runs for half a day. Targeting is a bit tricky. You wanna uncheck automatic targeting and see if you can find the appropriate targeting for your niche. If you cannot, then just go for automatic targeting, expanded targeting, and let Pinterest target the right people. That's about it. Just set up your billing, add your credit debit card, and just click on promote, and you're done. I highly recommend everyone to test out Pinterest. It's a very good platform. It's in its nascent stage compared to other social media platforms. And so you have a lot of organic reach. So you want to take advantage of that. So that's about it for this video. I hope it helped. If it did, make sure to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.